Make anyone worship you like you are their God with this meditation, and they will love you forever and never let you leave. Please be extremely careful with this. Do not underestimate the power of this meditation. You will definitely see results dangerously fast. So let's begin. They are so passionate about me. When they feel small, they latch on to something that feels big, which is me. I am the biggest event that is currently happening in their life now. They want to feel valued as my follower, so they are begging for my attention nonstop. I am the only one they will worship in their lifetime. They love looking at me. They love touching me. They love kissing me. They cherish me like a precious diamond now. They think I am the easiest in the world to fall in love with. They instantly attract to me. Their eyes are on the prize, and I am definitely the prize. Their life goal is to be with me. They choose me over everyone and everything else. They worship me. They elevate me to a status that feels almost divine. They treat me like I am a celebrity. They are loyal to me. They admire me. They worship me in every way possible now. I become more and more important with every second to them. They express their true worship to me with offerings of adoration now. They are always demonstrating their love for me by acts of service, gifts, verbal declarations of admiration, public praise and thanksgiving, creations of art, and infinite other ways. They 24/7 go so hardcore for me. They treat me like I am a divine being. They shout, "I love you" to me over and over again, like they are my biggest fan. They bear so much admiration for me with every second that passes by now. They always worship me, viewing me as an embodiment of beauty, talent, and success. They perceive me as being extraordinary, almost godlike. They are absolutely my biggest fan now. They have me on their phone's lock screen now. They are the most appreciative of who I am as a person now. They are so delulu in love with me now. They openly worship and love me out loud now. The amount of attention that they are giving me now is literally so insane. They know that I am to be respected and worshiped forever. Every time they make eye contact with me, they fall in love with me over and over again. They want to marry me soon. They kiss the ground I walk on. They worship me simply because I exist. It is already done. Type, they worship me in every way possible now to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.